I used to struggle speaking English alone at home, but these simple tricks helped me a lot and changed everything. Hello guys, I am Meera and I am from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. Today I will show you the simple and powerful tricks to practice English alone at home. Guys, if you want change in your life, then don't skip the video and watch the video till end. So, without wasting your time, I will start. So, first one is daily practice challenge. You will have to practice daily whatever you know in English, because consistency is key to fluency and successful. Yes guys, if you do the same work daily and if you set a routine to practice daily, then you will find confident and you will become an English fluent speaker. Second thing is describe the things around you. Suppose that I have a mic. Right now you are showing that I have a mic. Then you can just say that this mic is so beautiful and I have purchased it in 800, and whatever you know about the thing, you can just describe the things in English. Just try to describe the things in English. Third thing is shadowing practice. That means if you are watching any English video, cartoon or podcast, anything else, whatever you are watching and what type of English content are you consuming, then you just stop the video and just try to imitate. That means you just try to speak whatever the speaker told in the video. Just pause the video and repeat the sentences. This is shadowing practice. Fourth one is mobile recording. That means guys, if you have phone and if you want to improve your fluency, then this mobile will be so helpful for you, because if you record your voice and videos and you just listen your voice and recording video again and again, and if you analyze that where have you made the mistakes, then you can become a best English fluent speaker very soon. This will be so helpful for you. Fifth one is self-talk. That means you just try to speak to yourself, that whenever you are alone at your home, at park, anywhere, then you just try to speak the things you did whole the day. And if you are planning to do anything else, then you just try to speak in your mind. You just speak by yourself that today I will go to a school and I will make fun a lot. Tomorrow I will go to the market and I will purchase many things for myself. And this type of sentences and little words, little sentences will be so helpful for you. So guys, if you follow these steps, then definitely you will be a best English fluent speaker. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel English with Meera, and if you want more videos like this, then please like my video, share my video, and thanks for watching my video. Thank you.